In the serene village of Vrindavan, Krishna, the divine child, was known for his miracle and playful antics. One day, the great fearsome serpent named Kalia took his residence in Yamuna river, poisoning its water and causing widespread suffering among the villagers and their livestock. The river, once clear and life-giving, became a deadly hazard. The villagers were desperate and sought Krishna's help. Without hesitation, Krishna, full of courage and divine grace, confronted the serpent. He went to the river where Kalia was coiled and thrashing in the polluted water. The serpent was enormous with multiple heads, eyes glowed with malice. Krishna approached Kalia, hissed, menacing, ready to strike. Without a hint of fear, Krishna leaped into the river. He swam towards Kalia in an extraordinary display of divine power. He mounted the serpent head and began to dance. Each step of Krishna's dance was rhythmic and powerful, causing the mighty serpent to writhe in pain. Kalia tried to retaliate, but Krishna's dance was relentless. The water of Yamuna churned and swirled with energy of divine steps. Kalia, unable to endure the divine force, and began to lose his strength. His head dropped and he started to beg for mercy. Realizing his defeat, Kalia offered his apologies. Krishna, embodying compassion and wisdom, forgave him. He instructed Kalia to leave Yamuna river and never return, ensuring the water remained pure and safe for the villagers. With a final graceful leap, Krishna emerged from the river, his divine presence shining brightly. The villagers cheered and celebrated. The river, once again clean and bountiful. Kalia, chastened and humble, flitted away, never to trouble the river or its people again. Though this act, Krishna demonstrated that the greatest challenge can be overcome with faith, courage, and divine intervention. The story of Krishna and Kalia became a cherished lesson in overcoming the adversity with grace and strength, enforcing Krishna's role as a protector and a savior.